unfortunate truth of our world is that several parts of it are ridden with strife, leaving many people displaced from their homes and living in extremely precarious circumstances, from where they must rebuild their lives. But when a person has lost everything, how do they regain a sense of self and a voice? To better understand this, a group of researchers from Sweden and the UK conducted field research amongst Syrian refugees in refugee settlements in the Akkar and Bekaa Valley districts of Lebanon. Their findings are published in the top-ranked journal Organization Studies. The researchers observed that practices such as enacting boundaries around their tents through plants and other materials, and being hospitable to guests by inviting them into their homes and offering food, created a host-guest relationality that acknowledged them as people who matter. Similarly, inviting a neighbor for tea or inviting a distant relative to become a friend on Facebook also formed a process that positions them as mattering. Furthermore, through the practice of sending morning greetings on WhatsApp or accessing news and sharing information in Facebook groups with other Syrians, a sense of home was enacted, not only in the camp, but as a community sharing a culture, heritage, memories, and experiences. These mundane boundary-drawing practices of hospitality were how precariously placed people restored some sense of dignity and belonging, became recognized as part of a community with other people, and nurtured the hope that their lives and their voices matter.